When customers generally come to us, it's often because there's been a recall, because they've had a quality issue, there's fines, there's government involvement. It's something they're taking seriously and they need best practices and leadership to get through that. So that's where we can leverage Cognex cameras and best practices and the experience we've had from doing this over a decade and bring that to customers. Grantek was founded in 1980, and we've been providing industrial automation solutions to food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and CPG customers since then. Grantek's customers and smart packaging customers vary from large multinational food companies with 20 to 50 plants across North America, and we're servicing all of them, down to smaller co-packers, which may just have 1 or 2 facilities and 1 to 5 lines. The amount of traceability and the seriousness of labeling and marking packaging properly seems to be increasing. Cognex cameras let us go to a food manufacturing customer or pharma or CPG and confirm that they have the right product in the right package at a 100% inspection rate. All of it's being inspected. So we can tell our customers from a recall perspective, from making sure that you've got the right product in the right package, we can get that level of inspection with Cognex cameras. Customers are really looking for us to be the experts, and we're in a position where we can do that. We've done hundreds of installs, over 1,300 Cognex cameras put in, and we can bring all those best practices to clients. Cognex cameras and the other hardware and software that we use let us bring an open solution that's flexible to be extended and that customers can maintain and extend so they're not locked into a proprietary system. Cognex is a piece of how we can provide that to customers.
Grantek's customers come to us to provide best practices and thought leadership in the solutions we deliver. They're not just looking for us to agree with them and give them whatever they ask for, they're looking for guidance in those projects. The advantage our solution has is it uses industry standard off-the-shelf hardware and software, which enables them to maintain their systems without being reliant on a third party. Grantek uses Cognex's products for defect detection, and then in many cases also, our largest use case is inspection for mislabeled packaging to prevent mixed allergen recalls. And the way we use Cognex's products is to make sure that we're inspecting every piece of packaging before it goes out the door.
We picked Cognex as they're an industry leader in machine vision and automation. The devices are robust and solid, and you can put them in a plant floor environment. And our customers really want a smart camera solution. They don't want to be putting more PCs and computers on the plant floor. They need something that maintenance people can easily pull out a spares, plug it in, download the application to it, and get it going again. They don't want virus issues and other maintenance issues that come from having a full-blown PC on the plant floor. They're always coming up with new solutions, new technologies, and stuffing more and more into a smart camera on the plant floor. We've also seen a commitment to client success with Cognex.
With Cognex, the word that comes to my mind is trust. We go into a lot of applications together, we trust each other, and we're able to solve solutions effectively together.